According to the Wall Street Journal, renewable energy stocks are up over 80% for 2020. Now, we only have a few weeks left, but there is one stock that we're going to follow the money on that still has upside, and we're going to walk through exactly why and how much. So, welcome to another episode of Follow the Money. My name is Joshua Belanger, and let's get right into it. So right now we're taking a look here at Plug Power. Plug has been a stock that has been on fire over the last several months. Now, right here, we're closed at $29.49. Now, we have a couple weeks left, and what we've been seeing in the marketplace, in the options market specifically, we've been seeing money flow into this name, even on this little bit of a pullback. And we're looking to see prices hit nearly $35 per share within the next few weeks. Now, that's pretty crazy, but here are a couple different reasons why. This is a very volatile stock, and there's a lot of excitement, euphoria. Typically, when we go into the year end, you start to see kind of these day trading stocks get really active. And today we were up nearly 16% on this stock specifically. But first, let's talk about the options here. So we've been seeing some option activity, buying of calls, especially today. We saw some buying of calls coming in today. And what we've been seeing is that they came first early in the December 11 contract. So this indicates to me when they're coming in on these short time frames, 3 days, this was a day trade. The more interesting money for swing trading is the activity that we saw here in the December contract. And if you notice here, they came in at the December 30s. And then if you take a look here at the December 24 contract, they're coming here on the December 30s as well. But even more interesting is on the December expiration here. So 10 days to expire, you have 52,000 calls that traded, and they're coming in at the 30 strike. Now, a couple weeks ago, less than 2 weeks ago, we saw positioning here where there's open interest in the December 35 call. So they're looking for prices to push higher above $30 and push into $35 within the next 10 days. Now, one of the catalysts that could have that happen is the short interest on this specific stock. Last month was 65,000 shares, and this month it increased to 72,000 shares. So what that means is that those that are short would, if prices were to continue higher, they would have to buy in at higher prices. It would be inverse of if you bought a stock and prices went lower, you would have red on the screen. If you're short a stock, you're looking for it to go lower, and if it goes higher, then it's going against you. So what this creates is that typically those that are short, they have to have a little bit of wiggle room, but they could be forced into buying, and that's a term that you may have heard before, is forced buying. Now, right now, there's days to cover on this is 2 days. It doesn't seem like a lot, but this is where you could start to see that pop. We saw a big pop today, and we closed right at those previous highs. What I'm expecting is that we get another pop, and you start to see that Robinhood euphoria buying come into play. You get into $32. That's where we'd be looking to take profits. We do have a position in this for the service that I provide, but that's what we're looking at here. We're already in here. We are sitting on a little bit of a profit, and we're looking to see this go to $35. So for the next couple days, this is the stock that could be in play, and you see it pop to 32. So we'll see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you then.